So we thought we were hot shit motorbiking through HUE, but then totally forgot to put gas in our motorbike. So now we have to walk the closest petrol station. We're pretty smart. At least it was a short walk to the petrol station. But now we have no idea how to open our, I don't know where to put the gas. We couldn't figure it out, but this guy did. Thank you.
Oops.
Just say it wasn't so. Just say you love me and let me fall back into sleep. And when I wake up, just say I had a real bad dream. Whoa, real bad dream.
A little bit of rain, but it's alright because we got these sweet ponchos. But now we're in the Forbidden City. Take a look around, y'all. Entering this great, majestic palace.
That's forbidden.
About the time when we first met. Yeah, we were young back then, but I will never forget. You wore a blue dress and you had flowers in your hair. You were my princess, my diva extraordinaire. Whoa, say I had a real bad dream. single word. Make up a story about how you were staying late at work. Say that you had a flat tire, say the elevator stopped.
We're here at the
Citadel.
Forbidden City inside the Citadel.
But it's raining.
But it's raining. So we're hiding out in this little, like that thing that's on the other side right there. Hiding out. Apparently they had tennis courts back in the day. Call bullshit.
I hurt myself. I fell down. Pimp down. Not motorbiking. Just sightseeing.
Just walking.
Just walking.